Hi, hello friends, it's Jolene. Welcome to my channel. I share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today I have a shopping haul from Temu, and it's a little bit of everything. I've got some decor, some beauty, some jewelry, always a pair of shoes. So let's get to it. Okay friends, I would love it if you would support my channel and subscribe, hit the like button, do those things that help out my channel. And I love doing what I do. So I'm going to get with this now. So where are we going to start? Sometimes I end with jewelry, so I think I'm going to start with jewelry. Let me see if I got everything here. Okay, I just kind of went on a Lucky Charm jewelry a little kick. So I got a couple of necklaces. I got a black one and a green one. I love the green one. I thought that'd be fun for St. Patrick's Day. And so I have those. Then I also got a pink set. It came with earrings. There's the earrings. It came with a cute bracelet. I don't know, but I can't ever put bracelets on by myself very good. So I'm just going to show it to you like that. It's cute pink. Then I got a pink necklace. Let's see. There's that. And then I got a white bracelet. So I have a white necklace like this, but I got the bracelet, and this has got white on one side and it's got black on the other. So it will match my other things. So there's those things. Now I will put the description, put the prices and a link down below in my description section, so you can look for that. Okay, I think I only have one beauty item in this, and this was, it was kind of a last minute purchase. They popped it up when I was making my purchase, and it is, it's called She Does Cosmetics, and it is a liquid lash thick slender mascara. Now this, they made this look exactly like the Thrive mascara. I love the Thrive mascara, but it is a little bit pricey. And especially when you get stuff in your boxes and stuff you don't always want to buy. But this, I think, was like $2 to $3. And they did a really good job of copying as far as a dupe. And when I was looking, I looked at the brush. It looks like it could be, there's the brush there. It could be decent. So, I don't know. I already have mascara on. Now my eye look, I just did a video with this palette that I picked up at Sephora. It's a Too Faced palette called Pretty Rich. And so it's kind of a fun palette. So you can go check out that video if you want, and you can see how I did my eye look today. It's just kind of a pink and brown. So there's that. If I like this, I could definitely afford to buy it. So we'll see. I keep purchasing these, but this is a lightning fast charging cord, and I really like these. I think they're pretty cheap. They're like $2 or something. And my iPad is pretty picky about cords and charging, so these do work on my iPad, so I like that. So I picked up that. This is a cosmetic thing too. It's an LED compact mirror. I didn't really look at it. It's like a pocket mirror. I thought it was gonna be bigger, but actually this is meant like to throw in your purse or whatever, which I kind of have one that I do put in my purse. But this, we open it up here and there's just a light. I don't really like to show. Anyway, So there's that. And the next thing I'm gonna show here is I got a couple of tissue boxes, and I'm gonna see if these work. This is what it looks like. It's leather. It's got a little design on it. I don't know if you can see the design. Let's try it and see if our tissue box fits in here. Looks like it's gonna fit okay. Then it, on the bottom, it you can put it in, tighten it in, and then I don't know if it's gonna pull out right. I guess now that I got it. So there's that. So I actually like it. It's different. These were not real expensive. I've looked at ones, I've seen some on Amazon. In fact, I got some that were the hard shell, but they were just plastic. I couldn't really find any good ones. So I thought I would try these, and anyway, they have a smell to them, but it's not bad. But anyway, so there's that. I got 2 of those, and I just like pretty boxes for my tissues. And so there's the other one. I did get, I don't know if I'm going to show these because I'm going to probably have to send these back. I did, one of my videos back, I got a tissue for my bathroom. It holds the cloths that you can dry your hands with or take off makeup or whatever. And I thought these were going to be the same, but they're not. They're smaller, so I don't know what size tissue these will hold. It's not going to hold like it's not going to hold the ones I get. So that's my fault. I probably should have looked at measurements or just bought the one that I got before that I knew I liked. But those things happen. I got, interesting, this is a small compact, but this is like an 86, it's like 78 by 86 or something. It's, excuse me, it's like a tarp, and it comes with the things that you can hold it down with. So if you go to the beach, you can put this down. And I mean, it'll, you know, your whole family can fit on it pretty much. So I got this because we are going to Hawaii, and I thought this might be fun to take to the beach, and it's so compact that it will travel. So I think I'm going to be happy with that. It doesn't hurt to have a tarp on hand like this anyway for different things. You can even put it down in grass or whatever, but it's waterproof, and they say it's better with the sand. The sand doesn't get like stuck to it or whatever. So I'm glad I have this, and it's small. So that was good. Another thing I got for my travels is, and this is it's a beach towel, but they're made so they don't collect, like the sand doesn't stick to them and stuff. But this is, it's big. They're like really big. That's how wide it is. Well, you can't even see how wide it is. So, and then it, they have like a fringe on the bottom, and it's really tall too. So, okay, this is my idea though. When I fly, I like to have a little blanket, and this is like perfect just to have a little blanket to fly. And, so I can use it for that, and then I can also take it to the beach when we're in Hawaii. So, and it's very, it folds down very compact. It doesn't take a lot of room. It's real, because it's thin, but it has a good feel to it. So I really like it. I'm excited about it. I mean, it's small. It just is compact too. So I like that. Then I have some, this is really, I didn't realize I bought this, but this is a insert you put in a purse. I don't know if it's going to be the right size. It just has pockets inside, so you can stick this in your purse. Then it has a zipper, so you can put things in there. I'm going to try it and see. It's a real thin one, so it's for thin purses, but sometimes I like to have the pockets. You can do more with it when you have pockets. So there's that. We'll have it in the description. I got something that I probably should have had in my fall. I just did a fall Temu small haul, but this pillow popped up and I like this size pillow. It's just a lumbar pillow, but it matches my table runner and my rug, whatever. So it's kind of cute. So I got that. And my laundry room is kind of work in process, and I don't know if you've shopped Temu enough. They offer you with different sales, and sometimes they'll give you like a bigger discount on one item when you go to make a purchase. And so they had this set, and I thought it'd be really cute in my laundry room when I get it done, just to put these up. They're just a little set of pictures, and so it just says wash, fold, what is that? Put away, and dry. So I just thought these were kind of cute. You could put them in for just a little four on the wall. So that will go nice in my laundry room. I'm excited to be able to show that room off one of these days. I don't know when it'll get done. I feel like I'm forever in remodels at my house. So I'm just ready to show it all off. So we'll see when we get there. All right, so that was decor. Another decor thing I got. These are just kind of cute. I got this thing right here. This is, you just put this on a little shelf or on top of a pile of books, or, you know, by a plant with a candle. There's lots of different ways you can decorate with this. I thought this one was cute. I like the white with the wood. So there's that. Had that in my cart, or been looking at that for a long time, and finally I threw it in. So the last thing, oh wait, I gotta show my shoes. Okay, so I have a story with my shoes. I'm really, really bummed because I got these and they're so cute, and I wanted to wear them in Hawaii, but they are too big. So I don't know if my foot's getting smaller or if Temu shoes just run big. They're too loose this way, so it's kind of hard to walk in them. I'd probably get like a size smaller. And so I don't know, just you got to be careful with Temu shoes. I think they run big personally. These are so cute, and I don't think I'll get these in time if I reorder them to get them in time to go to Hawaii. So I can't decide if I just want to keep them. I can walk okay in them, but they just feel kind of big. So that's something I love, but I'm not sure I can wear. So the last thing I got are kind of intimate things. I just got some, and I'm going to show it because I've been wanting strapless bras, but I just can't. They're just so expensive. And so I thought I would try these from Temu. And this is kind of what they look like. They just have a plain back. And anyway, so I actually wore one of these yesterday and liked it. So it does have padding, but you can also take the padding out if you want. I got a couple of white ones and a black one, so I'm kind of excited to have those, and those might come in handy too on my Hawaii trip. And then I got some more sleep shirts. I've shown sleep shirts. I like to sleep in just little, I just like these little knit tank things. So these are just really soft knit, like this. So great for sleeping, really soft, really good. This was a set of 3, and I think it was, I'll put the price down below, but I think it was only like $10 or something for 3. And they're real good quality, so I was happy with the quality. So, I think I showed it all for today. So that is, that's my latest Temu haul. I do have more on the way as always, but I'm going to have a little break here because I'm not going to be buying anything for a while. So I don't know what I'll do if I don't have a Temu haul to share. But this had a lot of fun, different things in it, so I liked it. Anyway, I appreciate you being here. I love your support. I love what I do. Thank you, and we will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.